How's it going, subscribers? I need your help to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time so I can live stream my daily trades. Help me get 1,000 subscribers for our daily live stream trades. Thank you for your support. Volatile ride for Aclaris Therapeutics stock price on Friday moving between $5.82 and $6.49, updated on January 15, 2021. Buy or hold candidate since December 4, 2020 gain 57.22%. The Aclaris Therapeutics stock price fell by -3.61% on the last day, Friday, 15 January 2021, from $6.10 to $5.88. During the day the stock fluctuated 11.51% from a day low at $5.82 to a day high of $6.49. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -9.12% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 53,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 295,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.74 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 59.41% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $7.84 and $13.25 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 24, 2020, and so far it has fallen -22.73%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Aclaris Therapeutics stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.13. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $5.28. A breakout through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.24 and $5.01. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Aclaris Therapeutics finds support just below today's level at $5.24. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.01 and $4.59. This stock may move much during a day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.67 between high and low, or 11.51%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 7.83%. Our recommended stop loss, $5.55, -5.58%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 14 days ago. Is Aclaris Therapeutics stock a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. Current score, 2.327. Predicted opening price for Aclaris Therapeutics of Tuesday, January 19, 2021. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price January 19, 2021. Current price $6.06. ACRS is overvalued compared to its price of $18.20 per share, has somewhat below average safety, and is currently rated a hold. Recommendation, REC hold. REC reflects the cumulative effect of all the vector vest parameters working together. These parameters are designed to help investors buy safe, undervalued stocks rising in price. Value. Current price, $18.20. Current value, 82 cents. ACRS has a current value of 82 cents per share, compared to a price of $18.20 per share. This stock is currently overvalued. Value is computed from forecasted earnings per share, forecasted earnings growth, profitability, interest, and inflation rates. Upside potential, relative value/RV. Very poor. RV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. ACRS has an RV of 0.03, which is very poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. This indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out, AAA corporate bond rates, and risk. Safety, relative safety/RS. Fair. RS is an indicator of risk. ACRS has an RS of 0.86, which is fair on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RS is computed from an analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, debt-to-equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, price volatility and other factors. Timing, relative timing/RT. Excellent. RT analyzes a stock's price trend. ACRS has a relative timing of 2.00, which is excellent on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RT is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movements day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter and year over year. If a trend dissipates, RT will gravitate toward 1.00. Overall rating, value safety timing/VST. Very good. VST is the master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. ACRS has a VST rating of 1.33, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, RS, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combinations of value, safety, and timing. Stop price, $8.14. Stop is an indicator of when to sell a position. ACRS has a stop of $8.14 per share. A stock's stop is computed from a 13-week moving average of its closing prices, and is fine-tuned according to the stock's fundamentals. C. Comfort Index. Excellent. C is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and/or lengthy price declines. ACRS has a C of 1.64, which is excellent on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. C is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. GRT, earnings growth rate. GRT reflects a company's 1 to 3 year forecasted earnings growth rate in percent per year. ACRS has a forecasted earnings growth rate of -4.00%, which VectorVest considers to be very poor. EPS, earnings per share. EPS stands for leading 12 months earnings per share. ACRS has a forecasted EPS of -93 cents per share. VectorVest determines this forecast from a combination of recent earnings performance and traditional fiscal and/or calendar year earnings forecasts. PE, price-to-earnings ratio. PE shows the dollars required to buy $1 of earnings. ACRS has a PE of -19.57. The average PE of all the stocks in the VectorVest database is 63.71. A. Earnings yield. A reflects earnings per share as a percent of price. ACRS has an A of -5.11%. This is below the current average of 1.57% for all the stocks in the VectorVest database. GPE, growth to PE ratio. ACRS has a GPE rating of -0.20. A stock is commonly considered to be undervalued when GPE is greater than 1.00. Dividend. VectorVest reports annual, regular, cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc., are not generally included in division. ACRS does not pay a dividend. DI, dividend yield. DI reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. ACRS does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DI equals 100x, div/price. It is useful to compare DI with A. If DI is not significantly lower than A, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. ACRS does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have RS values well above 1.00 and A levels that are much higher than DI. DG, Dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the board's outlook on the company's ability to increase earnings. ACRS does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend growth rating. YSG Vector. YSG is an indicator which combines DI, DS and DG into a single value, and allows direct comparison of all dividend-paying stocks in the database. ACRS does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a YSG rating. Stocks with the highest YSG values have the best combinations of dividend yield, safety, and growth. These are the stocks to buy for somewhat above current income and long-term growth. VGVAL. VGVAL is the 50-day moving average of daily volume as computed by VectorVest. ACRS has an VGVAL of 677,815 shares traded per day. Percent volume. Percent volume reflects the percent change in today's trading volume as compared to the VGVAL. Percent volume equals volume, VGVAL, 100. ACRS had a percent volume of 9,622.95% on Tuesday, January 19, 2021. Percent PRC. ACRS price changed 209.51% from the prior day's closing price. Sales. ACRS has annual sales of 6 million. Sales growth. Sales growth is the sales growth rate in percent over the last 12 months. ACRS has a sales growth of 47.00% per year. This is excellent. Sales per share, SPS. ACRS has annual sales of 14 cents per share. Price to sales ratio, PS. ACRS has a PS of 130.18. Shares. ACRS has 42 million shares of stock outstanding. Market capitalization. ACRS has a market capitalization of 781 million. Business sector. ACRS has been assigned to the drug business sector. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Industry group. ACRS has been assigned to the drug, biomedical/genetic, industry group. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors.